Good morning, everyone. It is Monday morning again. Still not feeling great. This cold's hitting me well and truly now. But we've got some orders to pick. So over the weekend we sold 6 things for a grand total of £103 and 88p. So let's go and pick those. So we sold a variety of things: Hoover parts, board games, some glasses, some books. So we'll go and pick those off the shelf. So first item up is this motor for the NZ710. Now this is tested and working, but some other parts of the Hoover was broke, so I split it down, and this sold for £36 and 9p. On E4 we sold this Dyson DC50 Cyclone part, and that sold for 15. On G4 we sold this Super Cluedo. Now I've got to try and get it out, so give me 1 second. So we sold this Super Cluedo for £14 and 79p. On D3 we sold this set of 3 Pepsi glasses, so there's 3 of them in there, and they sold for 15. On D2 we sold another Cathy glass bundle. So these books were in not great condition, pretty red, pretty ripped, so accepts an offer of £14 all in, including postage. Then off F1 we sold this bundle of 4 cuddlers. I think there's Olaf, Dumbo, Winnie the Pooh and Minnie Mouse, and that sold for £9. So that's all today's orders, and that's all the orders from the weekend. So a total of 6 of them for £103 and 88p. So not bad at all. So now just to get these packed up and posted out. I'm probably not going to do anything else today. My full day again will be tomorrow for Tuesday. Get a load more stuff listed. I've got some more stuff in the boot of my car. Some stuff sat in the hallway that I need to bring through, and still I need to go through this. I keep saying it every time, to go through it, to list some stuff off it, but I don't. So hopefully, fingers crossed, future me will do that. But that's it. I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.